Hey, what is up guys, Renz Dagz TV here, and for today's video is going to be a unboxing for this tripod that we got from Lazada. So let me go ahead and open this one and let's see what's inside it. Hold on one second. Here we go guys. So what we have here is the box. That's why we call it unboxing, because we have a box. Just kidding. Anyway, so this is an Mpow or Mpow. I don't know how to read this properly, or if I did that right. But anyway, so this one here is a selfie stick tripod for cell phone and camera. So I got this for like, let me check the in here. It's for, well, there's no price here on the packaging because it has been already paid when I ordered this, but I'll put down the price below in the link description of this video so you would know. And so let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what's inside this, and hopefully this thing is going to be worth it. Okay, so we have a couple of things inside this box, so that's everything in there. Let's put this aside. So we have the main part of this packaging here. This is the tripod. This is the cell phone clip or something like that. This one also is for the GoPro, and we also got a Bluetooth controller, you know, to snap photos while, you know, it's beyond reach. So let me take this out from this cellophane here. We also have some reading material here. This Mpow Dream Explore Inspire thing. So this one is a flexible tripod Mpow iSnap X2. So you got instructions there. If you want to look at this, you can pause the video and check on it. This on the other side as well. Alright, so we're done with that. Okay, so the first impression that I have for this, guys, is that I love the material. You know, it seems sturdy and very you know, very nice to hold, and I think it's gonna last well or long enough. Okay, so pretty much this is a good tripod. And since this is flexible, you know, you can do whatever shape you want with this thing here. And let's also check if this can handle heavy cameras like DSLR. So I got here a Nikon 3100 camera, so let me check if able to handle this guy here, so you have an idea as well, of course. All right, then there's also a knob here to tighten up, and so this won't go, you know, any angle. So here seems like it's able to handle this well, so that's good. It's a plus. That's perfect. And also, guys, there's two positions that this can do. So I think this is the, if you can see this, there's this marking here that says A and B. So I think this is A, and then the B would do a little bit wider stance, I think. Let's see, let's check. There, okay, there you go. So that's the B stance. Okay, so depending to you know, however you want this to be positioned, so you can switch this from A to B, or from B switch it back to A, like this. All right. So this is A stance here. All right. So overall, guys, I think, you know, this tripod is a good buy, as it has, or it offers, you know, flexibility, and as well as it can handle DSLR cameras or heavy cameras. And then you can also you know, put this almost anywhere, like pretty much, you know, you may already have an idea on how to you know, use this one, or where to put this one, since you can bend these legs here pretty much to whatever angle it can handle. And with these things here, a cell phone holder, so pretty much this is very self-explanatory. So if you have a cell phone, you can use this instead, like put it here, and then you can attach your cell phone like this. Let me show you. There, very nice. And the Bluetooth controller here as well, a remote. This is very handy and useful as well, so you can snap photos from a distance. Let me turn this on, and it turns on. Alright, so pretty much this is everything inside the box, guys. So this one here is for GoPro mount, so I don't have a GoPro right now in my hand, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. But if you have a GoPro, pretty much I assume you have already an idea on how to use that, so pretty much that's good enough. So that's it, guys. This is a nice tripod for cameras, mirrorless cameras, DSLR, and for phones as well. So yeah, very nice. Look at the material here. It's soft. It has a soft rubber feeling in it, so for sure your you know, your hands will not slide easily or slip easily, and you'll have your camera or phone very secure. Alright, so hopefully this one helped you as well to decide if you want this tripod to use. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now. Peace. Hello my friends, Renz Dagz TV here, and if you like my video, please smash that like button, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your help. Here's how you do it. Boom. Bada bing bada boom. And if you are on your phone, here's how you do it. Boom. Bada bing bada boom. Thank you, and see ya in my next videos. Peace.